The stock of Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated NASDAQ TCON registered an increase of 15.06% in short interest. TCON's total short interest was 278,900 shares in January as published by FINRA. It's up 15.06% from 242,400 shares, reported previously. With 101,800 shares average volume, it will take short sellers 3 days to cover their TCON short positions. The short interest to Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated's float is 3.12%. The stock decreased 4.29% or 15 cents during the last trading session, reaching $3.35. About 124,515 shares traded. Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated NASDAQ TCON has declined 52.06% since January 7, 2017 and is downtrending. It has underperformed by 68.76%. The S&P 500. Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company, focuses on the development and commercialization of therapeutics for cancer, wet age-related macular degeneration, and fibrotic diseases. The company has market cap of $58.67 million. The company's lead product candidate is TRC-105, an andoglin antibody, which is in Phase 3 clinical trials for angiosarcoma, randomized Phase 2 clinical trials for renal cell carcinoma, Phase 2 clinical trials for soft tissue sarcoma, Phase 2 clinical trials for gestational trophoblastic neoplasia, Phase I/2 clinical trials for hepatocellular carcinoma, Phase I clinical trial for lung cancer, Phase I/2 clinical trials for breast cancer, and Phase I/2 clinical trials for wet AMD. It currently has negative earnings. The company's other product candidates comprise TRC-102, a small molecule that is in Phase 2 clinical trials for mesothelioma, Phase 2 clinical trials for glioblastoma, Phase I clinical trial for solid tumors and lymphomas, as well as Phase I clinical trial for lung cancer, and TRC-253, a small molecule high-affinity competitive inhibitor of wild-type androgen receptor R and multiple R mutant receptors that is in Phase I/2 clinical trials for the treatment prostate cancer. Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated NASDAQ TCON ratings coverage among 4 analysts covering Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated NASDAQ TCON, 3 have buy rating, 0 sell and 1 hold. Therefore 75% are positive. Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated had 4 analyst reports since July 29, 2015 according to Ratings Intel. On Wednesday, July 29, the stock rating was initiated by Roth Capital with buy. TH Capital initiated Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated NASDAQ TCON rating on Wednesday, July 29. TH Capital has buy rating and $18 target. Zacks upgraded Tracon Pharmaceuticals Incorporated NASDAQ TCON on Friday, September 4.